I'd like to welcome you all to the AFW Fabrications website. This morning we're going to just run through how to set up the MIDI system. Here we are in Torquay Harbour. We're just about to go aboard Clive Baker's boat, the Rachel, and this is where we do most of our sea trials. He does for all our gear. Here we have the component parts of the system. As I say, this is the MIDI system, and what we're going to do is going to put this together for you to show you how it's all set up onto the boat. Because a lot of people have asked, because they've never seen or used a fish stripping system before, a Gurdy system.
First of all, we'll fit the gunnel bracket, which is a very simple piece of stainless steel with thumb screws. This can be screwed up to the boat as we're doing here now, or on a fiberglass boat it's recommended that we put a sandwich of wood in behind, a bit of marine ply. These need to be nice and tight so that it doesn't rock when it's in use. As you can see, this is very firm. We've got spring bolts to hold everything in place, so we open those up, and then all we do is pick up the stripper blocks and set this one onto the bracket. So that one goes on as so. And they just spring into place, and then the two extra brackets at the front, spring bolts, they hold it in place. When this is not actually in use, all we do is release the two front catches, like so, and then it all tilts down into the boat, so it's inside the gunnel and it can't catch on anything as you come into port. So it's as simple as literally lifting this up, spring that one into place, spring that one into place, and then that's nice and firm. That's the stripper box in place on its bracket.
3, 2, 1.
The next stage is to put the overhead gantry in, which has a foot to stabilise it on the deck, and the bottom pole which goes through an adjustable bracket which can be set up either side of the stripper, either to the right or to the left. So what we do is we set this one, pinch that one up, and then drop the leg through down to the floor. This one then goes on to the bottom, and that pushes all the way down to the floor like so. What we then do is we just take the strain like so, and then tighten that one up, and that will then keep it stable. The overhead gantry, which is this one with the two pulleys, this swivels so that the line coming up from the Gurdy wheel when we fit it will always align with the two pulleys. So this one slots over the top and pinched up there. This one is fully adjustable. So what we then do is we attach the Gurdy wheel on this side. That one again goes in through there, and then this can be adjusted in and out so that the line coming over the top comes down through. We now have a Gideon bar which is adjustable as well, so we can follow the line. That one can be locked in place if necessary, and then this one locks up to make it all nice and firm. And that's where the overhead gantry then lines up with there, so that the line's coming straight down into the wheel.
What?
Now we have the Gurdy wheel in place, and the line over the two pulleys coming back down to the stripper. We can now align the Gideon bar so that it's running straight through as you see there, and then to accommodate the more hooks, what we do is we raise this mast up, and this can go up to take up to 20 hooks, and then that's locked off like so. This system can be mounted, as I say, on either side. You have the wheel on this side and the gantry on this side, and that will then swivel round to accommodate. Once the weight is on, the line is then. The importance of this system is that it stops hooks going across the boat to the conventional outrigger, and it means that you're free to actually walk around the system, and if necessary you could mount exactly the same system on the other side of the boat and have two operators, and the safety aspect we feel is very important.